In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wise Money Transfer. To get started, sign into your Wise account. Once you're logged in, go to the home page and click Send. This will open the Transfer Setup screen, where you can begin entering the details for your payment. First, enter the amount you want to send. After that, choose the currency you want to send from, and then select the currency your recipient will receive. This is an important part of the process, because Wise will automatically calculate the conversion for you based on the currencies you choose. Next, take a moment to review the exchange rate and the transfer fee. This helps you understand exactly how much is being converted and what the total cost of the transfer will be. Once everything looks right, click Continue. Now you'll choose who you're sending money to. You can either select an existing recipient if you've sent money to them before, or click Add a recipient if this is a new transfer. Then, enter the recipient's details carefully. Make sure all the information is accurate, since even small mistakes can delay the transfer. When you're done, review the recipient information once more, then click Continue. The next step is to select the reason for your transfer. Wise may ask for this to help comply with financial regulations, so just choose the option that best matches your payment. After that, click Continue again. Now, choose how you want to pay for the transfer. Depending on your account and region, Wise may offer different payment methods. Select the one that works best for you and move on to the transfer summary. On the summary page, review everything carefully. Verify the amount, the recipient details, and the estimated delivery time. This is your final chance to confirm that all the information is correct before the money is sent. If everything looks good, click Send Now. In some cases, you may need to complete the payment separately, depending on the payment method you selected. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish that part if required. Once your payment is complete, Wise will begin processing the transfer. Processing times can vary, so you may need to wait a little while depending on the destination, currency, and payment method. You can keep an eye on the progress by tracking the transfer status from your Wise activity page. This is the easiest way to see updates and know when the transfer has been completed. Finally, confirm that the recipient has received the money. That way, you'll know the transfer has successfully arrived. Thanks for watching.